Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Revolut to an external wallet like Binance or BitGet. First, once you've logged into your Revolut account, on the home screen, navigate to the crypto tab. This is usually further along on the right. Make sure you already own some crypto. If not, tap Trade to buy. Next, tap Send. You'll then be asked to choose which crypto asset you'd like to withdraw. After you've chosen, you're then prompted to enter the wallet address you want to send it to. You can choose from already saved wallets if you've already added one before now, or you can click on Add a wallet address to add a new wallet. You'll notice the currency and its network pairing. In this case, the USDT you are sending is on the Ethereum network. This is very important. Your destination wallet must match both the currency and the network. There is a drop-down on the side of that input field. You can click on it to choose another USDT network pairing. So far, Revolut only supports USDT Ethereum and USDT Tron. But again, take note of your currency network pairing. Now, go to the wallet you're sending to, like Binance or BitGet. Find your wallet address under labels like Deposit or Add Funds. Select On-Chain as deposit method. Choose USDT and then select the Ethereum network. Copy the wallet address provided and return back to Revolut. Paste that address and tap Continue. Once saved, select it from the wallet address list. Enter the amount you want to send, tap Review Transfer, check the fees, and then tap Confirm. Your crypto is now on its way. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to follow through. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.